Today's heavy snow and wind, of course, causing those travel headaches for those even attempting to leave home. And News 10 ABC's Harrison Grubb now joins team coverage to explain those travel delays across the area.
Spring might start next weekend, but winter isn't going out without a bang. Steady snow across the capital region leading to slippery conditions area-wide. Plows out in full force. Working hard to clear off roadways quickly covered by the heavy snow.
We have close to 440 operators and staff on hand here for this snow in just the greater capital region.
But while crews have been out since the snow started falling, the wind and rate of snowfall posing challenges throughout the day.
That snow will accumulate on a road even immediately after a plow goes through. So if a plow goes through and comes back an hour later, you can expect 2 inches of snow or more back on that road.
Even after the snow ends, it's still important to take it slow, with the wind and cold temperatures potentially pushing snow back onto roadways and creating icy patches.
We've got crews on call to keep an eye on that if the wind does blow snow back onto the roads, and also if the wind causes, some secondary problems.
If you have to travel while plows are on the road, DOT officials remind motorists not to tailgate them or pass. The weather not just causing travel headaches on the road. While plows work to clear off taxiways and runways, inside it was a quiet afternoon at Albany International Airport. A slew of flights from multiple carriers were canceled or delayed, with airport officials telling us the scheduling conflicts are weather-related. Reporting Harrison Grubb, News 10, ABC.